Alright guys, you have been doing it wrong all this while, but in this video I'm gonna be breaking it down how and why you have been doing it wrong. So let's jump right into it. So now listen, have you ever opened two trades on different currency pairs only to realize they both hit stop loss at the same time? Now you thought you were diversifying, but in reality, right, you were actually doubling your risk. Now today, I'm going to show you something most beginner traders ignore, like most traders ignore. Not only beginner traders, let's say most traders don't know, and why some currencies pairs move the same way, the way they do, and how this silent mistake is blowing account upon account every single day. And stay with me to the very end because it's really going to be interesting, because this might save your trading career. And most importantly, what does same price movement really mean? Now in forex trading, not all pairs are independent. Some currency pairs are correlated, meaning they move in the same direction. Am I understood? Or sometimes in the opposite direction. And let me break it down in a very simple form. When two pairs move in the same direction, we call it positive correlation. When they move in opposite direction, we call it negative correlation. And for example, if Euro USD goes up, goes up, GBP USD often goes up too. And why? Because currencies are connected through the strength or weakness of a single currency, especially the US dollars. And let's make this practical. And here are common pairs that behave similarly. Currencies that move in the same direction, which is the positive correlation. They are Euro USD and GBP USD. They move in the same direction or positive correlation. And AUD USD and NZD USD. These currency pairs often rise and fall together. Am I understood? And they all involve the US dollars. Because they are involved with US dollars, they are majorly moved by economic news also, or let's say global news, and that is how it works. And here are currency that move in opposite direction, which is a negative correlation, like Euro USD and USD CHF. These currencies move in opposite direction. GBP USD and USD JPY, sometimes they move in opposite direction, and when one goes up, the other tends to go down. Right, so you have to be careful. And now here is where most traders get it wrong. They open multiple trades like buy Euro USD, buy GBP USD, buy AUD USD, thinking I am spreading my risk, right? But in reality, have that in mind, you are not spreading risk. You are actually stacking the same trade multiple times. If the market goes up against you, all trade lost together, and that is not true trade. That's one big trade in disguise. And at this point, let's say you risk 2% per trade. You take 3 correlated trade, right? You think, okay, I'm risking 6% in total, right? But the truth is you are not risking 6% on one market idea if the US suddenly becomes stronger. Am I understood? All your trade crash at once. And that is how traders blow account over account, and very fast. Now, without understanding why and what really happened, that is why sticking to the video to the very end is very, very important. Now, let me show you how to fix it. Number one, avoid stacking correlated trade. Pick the best setup from any of the currency pair, not all of them. Am I understood? Let's fix it. Number two, reduce your risk. If you must take multiple similar trade, lower your lot size. Number three, check correlation before trading always. Ask yourself, am I trading different ideas or the same idea multiple times? Number four, focus on quality, not quantity. So one clean trade is better than 5 emotional trades. Professional traders don't just look at chart, right? They understand market relationship. They know when to enter, when to stay out, and when they are overexposed. Because in trading, right, it's not just about winning trades, it's about managing risk like a professional. And let's end it by saying, next time if you are about to enter multiple trade, pause for just a moment or cross-check what you did, cross-check your analysis. Ask yourself, am I diversifying or am I doubling my risk? Because one mistake, one misunderstanding can cause you week or even months of progress. Trade smarter, stay disciplined, and protect your capital like your life depends on it. Now, if you find value in this simple short video, all I want you to do is subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and smash the like button. Maybe you might end up changing someone's life. If you want to join my mentorship program, you can likewise check the link at the description, james-gides.com. And I'm also inviting you to join my Telegram community. Very, very important. We are share signal and where I also drop updates about Forex trading. Peace.